Hey folks, how's it going? Bobcat here at the Main Street Farms Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you guys one of my favorites. It's a super simple salsa recipe. I like to use the food processor. I know it feels like cheating. When I first started using it, it was a little weird. But now I love it. I can make salsa in under 5 minutes. Ingredients: garlic or garlic scapes if you still have it, onion, pepper, obviously tomatoes, the more the better. And you know, a lot of people are always asking us to market for cilantro. I think cilantro is overrated. Personally, I use whatever herbs that I have available in my salsa. This week we're going to use thyme, I use parsley, I use basil. I'm an Italian, so to me, you know, it's all good. Variety is the spice of life. Okay, so I pre-chopped some things. Garlic, I kind of just cut the end off, smash it, and that's going to go in the food processor, so you don't have to cut it too much. I'm going to put some garlic scapes in there too, because again, I'm an Italian, I like extra garlic. Onion, quartered. I usually do about 1 onion, 1 pepper, just cut into pieces like that. And the thyme, I kind of just rip the ends off just to kind of get, you know, the parts of the stems that aren't as tough. And so we're going to turn this on. I'll do a quick little, I got my regular blade in there. Get that stuff finely chopped. Tomato, I quartered, although this is a big tomato, so I might have to cut it again. So I'll go into eighths if I have to. And, you know, I like using the food processor because the food processor does a lot of the work. It does make the salsa a little bit more on the liquidy, watery side. If you don't like that, an alternative is when you chop your tomatoes, throw them in a strainer, and it'll get a lot of the juice, the water out, and you get more of that meaty part of the tomato. So depending on how many people I'm feeding, quantities and stuff, I might want to add more tomatoes, but that was a pretty big tomato, so you see they're a pretty good consistency. I don't want to chop it too finely because then I'm going to do a quick little, some black pepper, some chili powder. I love my chili powder. A little paprika if you're into that kind of thing. And again, I'll put the recipe out, but if, you know, you can make it your own. A little salt, some garlic powder. I know we already put garlic in, but you know, it keeps the vampires away. Oh, that one's empty. You get the idea. Some more herbs if you want an Italian seasoning. Yeah, one more time, really quick. I just do a couple of pulls. You could add lemon juice if you want. You could add jalapenos or red hot pepper. And there you go. Bobcat super simple salsa. Enjoy.